Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely impressive Audi A3 2-litre TDI S line quattro. Got absolutely everything going for it. It's diesel, it's quattro, and what a colour! Absolutely stunning. Alloy wheels, full S line body styling and colour coding. Red calipers. So it's quattro, lovely park distance control, and deeper rear diffuser with twin exhaust being the S line. Lovely little quattro badge. Electric tailgate, all operates as it should. The rear, absolutely lovely, not being knocked about. Got the parcel shelf. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside for better light, but are kept inside our indoor showroom for any weather viewing. As you can see, I'm just trying to give you a good view of the car. It's lovely. That's just the exterior. You go to the interior, you've got the half leather Alcantara trim. Again, fantastic order. Really doesn't look like the age or miles, this car. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, the S line embossed interior. Auto headlights, leather S line steering wheel, satellite navigation. Just start the car up. Multifunction steering wheel. Climate control. Centre armrest, DAB radio, media pack, different driving modes, menu there, twizzle it around. It's done 81,579 miles. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including warranty, part exchange and finance. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.